Okay, so this is just one video just kind of summing up everything that's been going on. Since we've last spoke, I'm now on, I believe, day 8 or 9 of my body peel. This is what's happening. So I did the body peel on my stomach, on my legs, and on my feet. Everywhere is peeling. Every day I wake up and it's peeling more and more and more. I say for the first 3 days I didn't notice anything. Day 4, a little bit of something on my stomach. For some reason my feet are not peeling at all. I repeat, my feet are not peeling at all. I put the peel on the top layer of my foot. I didn't put it on the bottom because the top layer is like, where my skin is, where the melanin is. And so since this is supposed to be a lightning peel, I just did it on parts that were melanated. And anyways, my feet haven't peeled at all yet, so I'm just waiting for that to kick in, because on their website it shows the peeling process all the way throughout like day 14, day 15. So this is something that takes a while. Also, if you can tell by my face, I started taking MSM again. For some people, MSM will bring about, some breakouts. Some people say it's a detoxifying type of thing, like it just happens when you first start. I'd stopped MSM for I think 1 or 2 months, and then I just now got right back on it because I was like, I miss having my hair growing like a weed. Like it grows so fast with MSM. So I'm taking a small dose, just 1,000 milligram dose. That's pretty normal. Most people take between 500 and 1,000, unless you want skin lightening. If you want skin lightening, people are taking like 14,000 to 20,000 milligrams. Obviously I'm not taking it for skin lightening, I'm just doing it just so my hair grows even more. But basically we're in about a week to 10 days, and yeah, the breakouts are here. It sucks, but thank goodness I'm on quarantine, so no one can see it but me. If I remember correctly, the breakouts, because they're pretty deep rooted, like they're not just on the surface, they're like way down deep into the skin. It usually takes about 2 to 3 weeks for the breakouts to completely clear. So I don't think I'll get any new breakouts. It's just 2 to 3 weeks for the breakouts that popped up. I'll continue updating you guys so you will know what to expect. I don't think the severe acne thing, because my breakouts are literally just right here. The rest of my face is fine. I don't think this happens to every person, so I don't want to like scare you guys off completely. I drink over 3 liters of water a day, so I don't think it's because I'm dehydrated or anything. I really don't know why. I don't know why. But anyways, let's continue on. So body peel. Body peel's going great. It'll be cool to see where my body's at, and I mean every day like it changes more and more. It'll be cool when my skin starts clearing up. Oh, also with like the MSM and the crazy hair growth, because literally I grew my hair out from like shoulder length to this like just within a year of MSM. It was pretty crazy. But what was I gonna say? Oh, it helps with shedding. So like if your hair sheds a lot, it looks like you're a dog, then, and you want to stop the shedding, or you're like, it's definitely for people who feel like you're shedding so much, it's like you're losing your hair, but you're not really, like you don't have any bald spots, but like it feels like you probably will. MSM can help with that. But I really wanted to talk about hair perfume. You don't want to use your perfume that you use for your body, just because the alcohol in it, it'll dry out your hair like real fast. And if you dry out your hair, then you're more prone to it just breaking off randomly, so you don't want to do that. So I tried one by this one company, and gosh, it was like $35 to $40 for like a little small 3 fluid ounce thing of hair perfume. And I think they discontinued one of my favorite scents. I tried this hair perfume stuff. It's like sugared cranberry or something. That's the flavor. I got it at Sally's. It was on clearance. It was like $2.99 or so. I got it last summer. It wasn't bad. I would spray it on my hair and it lasts. Okay, so we had an impromptu visit from Little Ones. But where was I going with this? Oh yeah, $2.99. I don't know. it's great. I wouldn't say it lasts all throughout the day, but if you're about to go somewhere, spray it on your hair, you know, it'll help. Sometimes I feel it just depends on the porosity of your hair. Sometimes hair just takes on the smell of wherever you are. For instance, let's say if you work in like a restaurant, you can go home kind of smelling like that restaurant. You can smell it on your hair, smell it on your clothes. If you are at like a bar and people are smoking, sometimes you'll go home and even the scent will be in your hair. This really sucks for people with natural hair or afro texture hair, because we don't like wash our hair like every other day, because I don't know, there's just no reason to. Usually your hair grows faster and more healthy the more you space out the washings. And so it's like if you're only washing it every week, every 2 weeks, or for some people once a month, then you know, having stuff to help make your hair smells good is like a necessity. Also, my issue is like after I flat iron my curls out, it kind of has this burnt smell. I'm not really using my flat iron on a hot setting, but I don't even really put leave-in product in my hair. Like all I do is I just put in like heat protectant spray, and even that, like I don't know, it just has this weird flat iron smell. I don't know, it doesn't smell good. So hair perfume is a must. I finally found some hair perfumes that actually smell good. So they're called hair shots. Basically, I just went on Google. Don't look at my nails. I'm trying to do acrylic myself and I've messed up so much. I bought acrylic and everything to do my own full set, and anyways, we're not gonna make a video on that. But anyways, hair shots. I Googled it, like, you know, how to make your hair smell good, and in a forum, I think it was like Lipstick Alley or some other forum, but they were just recommending hair shots. A lot of people use this for their kids' hair, because I will say they do have some juvenile scents, like cotton candy, strawberry. This is citrus sugar. It smells like a sweet orange juice. And then this is the cotton candy. It smells like cotton candy. If you've ever had those, you know, those kid perfumes, it literally, you know, it smells like that. This is Asian green. It kind of smells like a pear, kind of. A pear scent. It's not bad. And this is strawberry. At first squirt, I did not like strawberry. As soon as I got it, I was like, oh, this kind of smells like strawberry medicine. Like, you know, when you're a kid and they try to give you like bubblegum flavored medicine, strawberry flavored medicine, it's just like, no, this still tastes terrible. Okay, it kind of smelled like that, but the scent dissipates and what you're left with is more like a strawberry candy. So yeah, the one that I hated as soon as I squirt is now my favorite. I'm using it like crazy. But the cool thing about this is that it's heat activated. So when you use it, you can spray it like on the bulk of your hair, just because, but that's not how you're gonna get like all day scent. I will say, after spraying 3 shots of these, or yeah, basically 3 shots of these, 3 sprays, it will last all day. But yeah, you can spray it there if you want to, but if you go by the directions, it wants you to basically spray it on the root. So part your hair, spray it in between, spray it like on a root. I also spray it like on the middle of my head, like where my part is. As soon as your scalp starts, you know, warming up, because, you know, during the day, our body temperature naturally fluctuates. Like when we go outside, maybe as soon as like you start to warm up, you're gonna smell it even more. So like it sticks more to skin, and that's how it gets activated. Spraying it to the bulk of your hair, like, you know, there's not really a heating source. Our skin, like our scalp, is a natural heating source because, you know, we have blood running through our veins. So if you really want to smell it all throughout the day, do that. Some people were just like, hey, as soon as I go outside and I start to perspire, I get like a stinky scalp. Like, I didn't even know that was a thing, getting stinky scalp syndrome. I guess it's kind of like how, like, when your kids have been outside playing and they come back in and they smell like outside. Like, yeah, I guess some people have that happen to their hair. They'll just be outside for a little bit, come back in, and it's just like, ew. So yeah, as soon as you start to warm up, you're gonna be able to smell your perfume, and it's awesome. It's awesome. Like, this is a game changer. Only bad thing about it is for 3 fluid ounces, these are like $14 each. I bought 2, liked them a lot, and then I ordered another 2 off of Amazon, and I mean, to me, it's worth it, because I would much rather smell like one of these than flat iron, you know, that weird hair smell. So that's the only thing I hate about having natural hair, you know, wearing like weaves or even like wigs. Like as soon as you shampoo it or you condition it, like, you know, you can get it smelling good and fresh longer, but with natural hair, it's like if you're not washing it every other day, or, you know, it just, you know, it doesn't smell as great, or it'll just have no scent at all. I'm not sure which is worse. So I really like these. If you want like a more mature scent, I would definitely say do like the citrus sugar or the Asian green. There's one scent that's called bamboo. I don't have it, so I can't tell you what it smells like. There's another scent that's watermelon, and then there's an apple pear, and what else? I thought there was one other one. Maybe not. I think that's all. But I could see how some people might not like the cotton candy smelling one or the strawberry, just because, you know, only kids usually smell that sweet. Oh, there's one called cupcake too. So I guess if you like more vanilla frosting type of scent, then cupcake might be for you. But I mean, I like them. I'm very happy with them. Like I have adult, you know, good perfumes that I use for my body, but for my hair, I'm completely fine with smelling very sweet and like candy. I cannot wait till these breakouts go away. I feel like I just made videos for you guys last week and my face looked semi-normal. And then I come on and it's just like, whoa. And this is with makeup on. You should see without makeup. Oh, it's pretty bad. Thank goodness we're not going anywhere. Right now, if you've noticed on Amazon, they basically cut out their suppliers from sending in any item that is like not a necessity. So anything that is not toiletry related, by toiletries, like I mean like toilet paper, toothpaste, like those type of toiletries that people actually need, not necessarily like makeup and crap. But yeah, if it's not medical related or toiletry related, serious toiletry related, then basically they're not allowing people to send in and like re-up their stock. So some of your favorite brands might be out of stock for a while, or I've noticed that with Prime, they've pushed back Prime to like a month. Some like really just random items, like okay, buying a toy or something like that, now you can't get it in 2 days, or even next week. It's like April 20 something. It's pretty crazy, and that's just because they've had, you know, an influx of people using Amazon right now. They are like hiring 100,000 new workers, so things will be you know, speeding up a bit. I will say, if you are ordering all of your stuff online, and especially if you live in like a high-risk household, we are a high-risk household, we don't bring in our boxes right away. We leave them outside, then we go out there with gloves and Lysol wipes and Lysol spray. We wipe down, we even spray the box, wipe down the box, open it, wipe down whatever came in the packaging. If it needs to be opened again, open it, wipe it down, and then dispose of all of the trash in the recycling bins and everything. And then you know, the final product, whatever we bought, like this, we'll have it wiped down with the Lysol wipe, and then I spray it for extra measure with the Lysol spray, let it sit for a few minutes, dry off, and then we bring it into the house. Because even if you're not shopping for these things in person, where lots of people are touching things, and you know, COVID is even airborne, so sick people don't even have to touch it or sneeze on it. Like, ugh. If you guys saw what happened with these cruise ships and how the virus was being basically recycled through their air system, through the recycled air system, because if you didn't know, cruise ships, they run on recycled air. So yeah, and it went to every nook and cranny of the ship basically. So absolute craziness. But yeah, I would just say do that with all of your shipment of whatever you're ordering. And if you're doing like curbside, I know Walmart has a curbside thing where you pick the time and the date to pick up your groceries, and a personal shopper will grocery shop for you. I know Publix does that, Walmart does that, Target does that. First off, you can't really give them tips. I've tried to give them tips, and at both places, at both Publix and Walmart, they said that they're not allowed to take the tip, which really sucks, because usually if somebody even bags your groceries and brings them to your car, you tip them. But for this, they say they're not taking money. I don't know why. Maybe it's just certain locations. But if you do that, obviously I would, like, you know, put it in the trunk. Don't touch it. If you have to sign their keypad, I know Publix you don't have to sign anything, Walmart you do, Target you do, you have to sign your name. Like, make sure you put on like a glove, sign it, have like a little trash sack in your car so you can take off the glove and not, you know, cross contamination, and then touch your steering wheel, and you know how it goes, you know how it goes. And then literally drive all the way to the house, put on another set of clean gloves, pop the trunk, take out all the groceries, put them on the ground, and then I do the same wipe off Lysol spray routine that I do with packages, because we're a, you know, a high-risk household.